video, I'm going to show you how to go about linking your Stripe account with GrazeCart. So it's important to understand that GrazeCart by itself cannot process any online payments. It involves what we refer to as a credit card processing company. Several well-known people who do this. There's PayPal, there's Payline, and then there's Stripe. And at the time that this video is recorded, Stripe is the only payment processor that we've created a direct integration with. So if you've used another processor in the past that you're partial to, you can still do so, but just know that that information is not going to link with any of your orders or GrazeCart data. So the first step to start taking credit card payments through GrazeCart would be to create your Stripe account. I'm just at stripe.com is their website, and you can create an account from there. They'll just ask you for some business and banking information. Once that step is done, just head over to your GrazeCart dashboard, click on Settings, and head to Payment Options. This top section says Credit Card, and click on Connect Stripe. Now, if you're already logged into your Stripe account that you just created, GrazeCart will detect that, and you'll just have a little button here that asks you to connect to that account that you're logged into. But you can also just go ahead and sign in. I'm not signed in, so I can go ahead and just click this button and sign in from there. If you didn't create the account beforehand, you can also do so directly from this page. So again, you just enter in your some business and banking information of your choice. I'm just going to go ahead and sign in real quick. All right, and you can see once you're signed in, you're just going to make sure that you're connecting to the correct account, and from there you're good to start processing credit card and debit card transactions directly in GrazeCart on Stripe's behalf. So that's it. The process is pretty simple. Now, down the road, it's likely that you'll encounter a transaction that might need some troubleshooting. So maybe you continue to charge your customer's card and it gets declined. You're not sure why. Your customer's not sure why. You're going to want to be familiar with navigating your Stripe dashboard. So when you log in to your Stripe account, this is what you're going to see. Again, since it's linked to your GrazeCart account, we're going to be importing all of your customers and your payment transactions. So if you have a payment that's giving you issues, you can go ahead and search it here in this top. They have an overhead search bar. You can look for either the order number or maybe your customer's email address. And once you find the transaction that's giving you problems, Stripe will have error codes that give you a little bit further information. So a lot of times it's simply a card that's out of date, or maybe it was declined by their bank, at which hand it might be might be helpful if they contact their bank and let them know that the payment's okay to go through. But if it appears to be a little bit deeper of an issue than that, you're going to want to be familiar with Stripe support as well. So again, unfortunately, since GrazeCart, we're just integrating with your Stripe account, we really don't have very much information regarding the payments. You're going to want to be well familiar with Stripe. So you can contact us if you have any questions, but more than likely, if it's a deep issue, we're just going to refer you to Stripe support. So I'm going to go ahead and include a link at the bottom of this video to not only stripe.com, but directly to their documentation and support page. But other than that, this has been the overview. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.